This is my sound sensor module, jumper wires, LED lights, Arduino UNO board, and AB cables. I have attached these jumper wires to the sound sensor module, now attaching the other end of these wires to the Arduino UNO board, like I'm attaching these in this video. Now I am attaching my LED light. The bigger one goes in 13 and the shorter leg will go in GND. Now plugging my AB cable, other end to the laptop. This is my code. Further, I'm going to show you my screenshot as well. This is the screenshot of my code, and this is my demonstration video.